Assalamu alaikum. Do you know that 90% of Quran students don't know the difference between Sarf and Nahw? Let's understand this difference with just one sentence. Ashhadu anna Muhammadar Rasulullah. I bear witness that Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the messenger of Allah. In this sentence, each word is made up of some root letters. For example, the first word ashhadu is made up of sheen, ha, and dal. Muhammadan, this word is made up of ha, mim, and dal. Rasulu, made up of ra, sin, and lam. And Allah, the root letters are alif, lam, and ha. So the construction of each word from its root letters is the topic of sarf. What is sarf? The sarf deals with construction of words from root letters. Now the second topic is to analyze i'rab of each words. Like for ashhadu, the i'rab of this word is rafa. For second letter Muhammadan, the i'rab of this word is mansub. Rasulu is also marfu and Allah is majroor. So, i'rab of each word in the sentence is the topic of Nahw. So, when we have analyzed the i'rab of each word, we can construct these words to make a complete sentence. You can understand this difference with construction of house. For house construction, you need bricks. When you join the bricks, you make a complete wall. This is the topic of sarf, to make words from root letters. When you have these words, you can connect them to make a complete sentence, which is the topic of Nahw. So the summary is the sarf deals with construction of words from the root letters and Nahw deals with i'rab of each word in the sentence. So without sarf, you cannot make the words, and without nahv, you cannot make the sentences. Can you summarize the difference between sarf and nahv in the comments? And please subscribe this channel for the more videos in the coming lectures. Thank you.